Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me until the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make $750 with Google search. This is free and available worldwide. So make sure to follow along until the end of this video to help you earn passive income. This is the website we'll be using. And when we connect it with Google, we can make a lot of money. Pay close attention now because I'm about to show you how much money you could make with this website. Take a look at this list. There are a plethora of ways to make thousands of dollars if we keep scrolling down. You may begin to believe that there are virtually limitless ways for you to apply this strategy and make thousands of dollars over and over again. All you'll need is a Google search engine to get started. Because it has worked with some of the most well-known firms online, including Pepsi, Nestle, Johnson & Johnson, Spotify, and even Microsoft. I can assure you that this is a real website. Keep an eye out for details on how to create a free account. I'd like you to click on this button at the top of this website's main page. You'll need to click I'm a problem solver. And now I'd want you to log in or sign up using this button at the top, which will lead you to a website where you may create a free account. Choose I don't have an account yet and go to this page to input your first and last names, location, email address, password, birth date, and gender. Now, for the following skill categories, I strongly advise you to select above average on these three scales. And before proceeding to the blue sign up button, make sure you read the terms and conditions and privacy policy, as well as clicking on I'm not a robot. You can enter into your account after registering and find a variety of projects and challenges that you may participate in, all of which can help you earn a lot of money online. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning and new money-making strategies online. Here's a list of many different categories they offer. Computer science, food science, science business, engineering, and a range of other courses are all available here. We may now set them all aside since I'd like you to focus on these brand new computer science category. Simply select computer science from the drop-down menu and the website will filter out and display all computer science tasks and challenges. These initiatives and difficulties will now compensate you as much as feasible. For example, this project will pay you this amount of money if you simply click on the link. You'll be directed to a page where they'll ask you questions. And all you have to do now is write your response, submit it, and you'll be paid. We can see that there are many entries and that people are getting paid to answer questions on this website. And you may do the same. Here's how to use the simple Google strategy I suggested previously. I'd like you to go back to Google and search in Google Documents. Then click on the first link under Google Docs Free Online Documents. It will then take you to the screen where you can start over with a new document. You can begin by typing your response into this Google document, which you can then submit to earn money online. You can make a lot of money online by uploading a Google document with your answers to these questions. You shouldn't be concerned because this will be a straightforward procedure. Return to mindsumo.com and copy the terms for the questions. Return to Google and type in the keyword. Google is currently assisting us in locating the answer to this question. A Quora.com result can be seen right here. We can go to Quora.com by clicking on the link where people provide answers to a variety of queries. Hopefully, we'll be able to come up with a good answer to the question right now and submit it to get money online. Once you've discovered a reasonable solution, all we have to do now is highlight it and copy it and paste it into Google Docs. That's something we can postpone for the time being. While we're at it, we'll go back to Google and look for more different responses to mix and submit. If we do that, we might be able to come up with a really professional solution that we can then submit to mindsumo.com. The trick is to look for common threads among the responses we can find by searching on Google and then compiling them into this Google Doc. It's really that easy. We can repeat the process over and over again, obtaining all the answers from multiple sources and simply putting everything into Google Docs. Now, because this is a bonus tip for you, change the title of your Google Doc to MindSumo Challenge and then add the topic of the question. Return to mindsumo.com and copy the question, which will then paste into the Google Docs title. To make the Google Doc appear longer, we'll raise the font size in the body. I'm going to center this document, then put some spacing underneath it and proofread the rest of it. Please add any further responses to the question in the box below. Simply click on the file and then download once you finish your answer. Ensure that you choose a PDF file. To download it to your computer, simply click on this link. Alternatively, you can also do it on your phone. Now that it's done, we can examine how professional it appears and how well it qualifies for the MindSumo Challenge. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.